Hey, I'm Erica with WTI, and this utensil set from AILUKI has everything you're looking for.
So this set has everything. It came with a utensil holder that actually fits all the utensils. It came with 2 spatulas, which I really liked because you get a regular size and an extra large one. And it even came with a spatula, a spreader, and a basting brush, which I normally don't see in kitchen sets, so that was a really nice addition. It also comes with a great pair of kitchen tongs that are really easy to open and close, and those are always super useful. And it even came with a grater zester, which is not normally something you see in a kitchen set, so that was a really nice addition. And then of course you have your measuring cups and spoons, so you have a complete set. And the set is made out of a non-stick silicone, so it's really easy cleanup. So as you can see, all of the pieces fit nicely into this utensil holder, and the utensil holder is a really nice size. All the pieces fit comfortably. It's really easy to get out whatever utensil you need.
I think this utensil set is a must-have for all kitchens, but that's just my point of view.